Hey, what's up? Jonathan Fink, Sports Card Collectors Club. And this is pack opening 727. We got one pack of 2026 Topps Chrome, Series 2, VeeFriends. Let's rip. Right off the bat, one of my favorites, the Entrepreneur Elf. When others see problems, he sees opportunities. Ooh, this is a very valuable insert. The Humble Hedgehog. Power source, watching people listen more than they speak. Big Game Bandicoot. A master of taking calculated risks with unflinching confidence. And then a respectful raccoon. Treat others for who they are, not for what they can offer. This Humble Hedgehog is beautiful. You guys take care. God bless.